Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to switch off the Xiaomi. Pressing the power button for a few seconds activates Google Assistant by default. To use the power button to turn off your device, open Settings. Scroll down to System Settings, then tap Gestures and Motion. Tap Power button, then change the action from Google Assistant to Power menu. Now press and hold the power key to see the power menu. From here you can restart or power off the device. That's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.